Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 1996 Dodge Dakota headlight assembly replacement. Got 4 Phillips screws to replace or take out down here to get the bracketry off, and then we need to take off. Got your headlight aiming screws here. You need to pull those off. They're little dealy boppers. And we got 3 10mm bolts to take off, or nuts. There's a nut right there. And then there's 2 on the right. These are just the cable adjuster ends that you pop on. So we'll take the 3 10mm nuts off the back here. Could also probably unplug this bulb here. Unscrews. Unplugs. Usually just pull it off usually. Otherwise, if you need to, you could probably pull these upward. This screws off. It goes like that, turns on and off. Here's the bulb. Goes in like that. Really goes in like that. Really, truthfully, goes like that. Need to undo this light bulb down here. Rotating it counterclockwise to take it out. Get that out of the way. All right, you get 3 nuts off and take this out.
socket, so I've got a bolt and did it out. And that was still brutal.
Yeah, it doesn't quite fit as nicely as the new one. How about that? Or the old one.
It's bad. Very, very, very bad.
That's about it for the driver's side. Then you connect your cables up to your adjusters and you should be able to turn these to make your adjustments up and down, side to side for the headlights. I want to do that at night or in a dark garage. Put the screws back in and that's it. You have to work around the battery on the driver's side, but it's the same procedure. Hope your bumper's not bunged up because it just went, ooh. A little trickier to get out. Good luck to you.